Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. So once you've opened up Telegram, you're going to open up the Hamster Kombat bot, and then you're going to press on play. So it says here, daily reward, get coins, keys, and skins for logging into the game daily without skipping. So I'm going to click or press on claim. So there are different ways to earn coins in this game. You can go to the tab which says mine, and there are different cards there. Okay, so it says there CEO, profit per hour plus 100, then you get 1,000 coins. Marketing, profit per hour plus 70 coins, then you get 1,000 coins, which is really cool. Okay, hamster book, hamster tube, and X, and then so on. And then you can also go to the markets tab as well. And then it says join our TG channel to unlock. You can do that if you want. Then we go to specials. Then we have these other cards here. Telegram top ever, subscribe. Okay, 3,000 coins and 53,000 coins. And then you can read all of these things if you want to. And then there's another tab which says earn. And there are different options here. Daily rewards. I just received my daily reward. And then it says there you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and TG channel if you want to earn more coins. And pay for travel, crypto, Traveler, and Skyscanner team up. And now if you want to withdraw the coins and the money, you're going to go to the tab which says airdrop. Now we have two options, points and withdrawal. So then you can just go to withdrawal. And now what you need to choose is connect your Taunt wallet. Now it says connect your Taunt wallet. Connect your crypto wallet if you don't have one. Create one in your Telegram account. You can do that if you want. So then we're going to select connect your Taunt wallet. So now there are various wallets that we can use to connect to our Hamster Kombat. So we have Taunt Keeper, My Taunt Wallet, Taunt Hub, D Wallet, and then so on. But then I'm going to choose Taunt Keeper. So now you can just read this if you want to. How to sign into services with Taunt Keeper. You have to get the application from Google Play, download the application, and sign in with Taunt Keeper. And then just have to press on the blue button, which says sign with Taunt Keeper. And then what you're going to do is you're going to link your Hamster Kombat to Taunt Keeper. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.